Hi guys and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the new and just landed CULBEAUTY goodie bag, the best of 2021. Inside of a best of 2021 goodie bag we will find 28 beauty products that worth over 370 pounds. Okay beautiful people, let's open the bag and see the treats. First item that I took out is a CULBEAUTY tote bag. It's black and is 100% made from organic cotton. On one side we have a message printed, more glow. On the other side is just simple black. Very useful item. Next product find is from IT Cosmetics, Superhero, Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I had this mascara in the past and I didn't like it too much. I will insert on the screen the size of a product. I will do that on all the products. You know, do not waste time on each product to mention the size. Next we find a product by the brand Amika, Flash Instant Shine Mask. This is a hair mask packed with antioxidants and amino acids to hydrate and boost the shine of your hair. With the brand Amika I don't have the best memories. I tried the shampoo from this brand and was awful. I hope this hair mask will change my opinion about Amika's brand. Here we find a product from the brand Herbivore, Cloud Jelly, Plumping Hydration Serum with vegan collagen and trimella. This serum contains a humectant that's even more effective than hyaluronic acid to help dry and dehydrated skin to bounce back. This sounds perfect for my dry skin. Next we find a makeup product from Tower 28, Shine On Milky Lip Jelly in the shade Coconut. The packaging is very nice. And here we have a shiny pink lip gloss. Sixth product that we find is from Omorovicza, the Queen Cream. This face cream will nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Next we find a product from Milk Makeup, Hydro Grip Primer, a double dose to hydrate plus grip makeup. I already had the chance to try this primer. I don't know guys, I wasn't impressed. It feels tacky on the skin, I don't like it too much. Let's move to the next product that we get. Is from Medic 8, Intelligent Retinol Free TR, Supercharged 0.3% Vitamin A Serum. This serum will resurface the skin, will help to decongest pores and regulate sebum production. I didn't start to use vitamin A face serums. I am on the stage when I'm reading and collect information about vitamin A. I know that is an amazing anti-aging ingredient. Maybe is the time to give it a go. Medic8 is a brand that I trust. Here we have a product from the brand Biossance, Squalane Plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This serum contains 10% vitamin C that will brighten and fade dark, hyperpigmented areas, and the brand's iconic sugar cane derived squalane to moisturize the skin. Next we find an eyeliner from Makeup by Mario, Master Mattes Liquid Liner in Super Black. Is a long-lasting waterproof eyeliner. It has a marker tip applicator. It looks okay. I will try it. Okay guys, here we find a product from Paula's Choice, Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. It is made for all skin types. This product will unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smooth and even skin tone. I know that this is one of bestseller products from Paula's Choice. I will try it to see if it works. Next we have a lipstick from the brand NARS in the shade Orgasm Satin 2915. Let's see the shade. Well guys, to be honest, I like this shade more how it looks in a blusher rather than on the lipstick. Just my opinion. Here we have a product to try from Dr. Barbara Sturm, Enzyme Cleanser is a powder cleanser that needs to be mixed with water and with obtained foam to wash your face. I like this type of cleansers. The skin feels soft and clean after them. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pill. We have 2 step-free treatments inside. I have a video about Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare that I tried, and in that video I talked about this product. If you want to see it, I will leave a link in the description box below this video. Next we find a product from Espa, Yuzu and Ginger Cleansing Sorbet. Is a balm to oil cleanser that will melt away makeup and impurities. Espa is a beautiful brand, but I don't know why I don't feel this brand close to me. Maybe we are not on the same boat. I will try in this cleanser, maybe I will change my mind. Here we have a dietary supplements from the brand HUM or HUM. Gummies with benefits, hair sweet hair for stronger, healthier hair. Next we find a product from Verso, Daily Glow. Is a light day face cream with retinol 8 and vitamin C. We find Natasha Denona Mini Love Eyeshadow Palette. Natasha Denona is a brand that I adore. Natasha Denona eyeshadows formula are lovely, easy to work with, blending effortless. Very happy with this product. Next we find a well-known face cleanser from Youth to the People, Superfood Cleanser. We find this cleanser in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar and I started to use it. It is a very gentle face cleanser, it's not harsh to the skin, it smells lovely, very nice product. Here we have a face cream from the brand MDO, Intense Hydrating Moisturizer. Is a super nourishing face cream made for all skin types. Here we have a tiny product from Drunk Elephant, Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Is a face moisturizer cream that will keep the skin hydrated, bouncy and balanced. Malin Plus Goats, Botanical Deodorant. Is a vegan and cruelty-free natural deodorant. I'm looking for a good natural deodorant. I hope this one will be a good find. If you know a good natural deodorant, let me know in the description box. You will help me a lot. Vieve Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer is a face primer that may be worn on its own or under your makeup to add glow to your complexion. Next we find a product from Briogeo, Be Gentle, Be Kind, Avocado Plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. Briogeo is a brand that I like a lot, especially I love their hair masks. They are amazing. Definitely I will like in this hair mask too. I hope. Here we have a body cream from Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Bam Bam Cream, fast absorbing body cream. Helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Kate Somerville, Kate Ceuticals Total Repair Cream is a hydrating face cream that contains a peptide-infused ceramide complex. And the last product that we find is from Summer Fridays, Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream. Is a lightweight face cream. We found a full-size cream in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. Okay guys, here we have all the goodies from the best of 2021 Cult Beauty goodie bag. I am delighted and satisfied with the products found inside. I can't wait to try them. Okay beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you enjoy it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!